The life cycles of a frog. The life cycle of a frog is a fascinating process that spans from aquatic life to the land life. Frogs belong to the amphibian class, meaning they spend part of their life in water and part on land. Their transformation from egg to adult is a significant metamorphosis. The cycle begins when a female frog lays hundreds or thousands of eggs in a clump, known as a frog spawn, in a pond or calm water. Each egg is protected by a jelly-like substance. Eggs can take 1 until 3 weeks to hatch. When the eggs finally hatch, a little fish-like organism called a tadpole comes out. They have gills, a mouth, and a long tail to help them swim. Tadpoles spend their entire life in water. At this stage, they are herbivores, feeding on algae and plants. The tadpole grows. Hind legs begin to grow first, followed by front legs. Their tails start to shrink, and internal lungs begin to develop, allowing them to start breathing air. The tadpole begins to change the way it looks. It begins to look more like a frog. It starts moving onto land, although it still spends much of its time in the water. At this point, we can consider the tadpole a froglet. Okay, next we move to the next stage. Next, froglets grows to front legs and tail shortens. At this point, the froglet has transformed into a young small frog. This is also the stage where the baby frog jumps out of the water from the first time. Finally, the tail completely disappears, and the frog continues to grow. And the frog matures into an adult. It now breathes entirely with lungs and lives on land, eating insects rather than plants. The adult frogs will eventually meet a mate and lays eggs again, return to the water, starting the cycle again. In short, the life cycle of a frog, from eggs, tadpole, froglet, young frog, and adult frog, shows an amazing adaptation to both aquatics and terrestrial environments. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.